Okay, I know I'm working from bed, but you've been screaming at me all morning. What do you have to say about yourself, huh? What do you have to say about yourself? Just gonna keep purring? Just gonna keep purring? Bruh. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. You know what I'm doing? I'm working from home. Alrighty, after some work, did a few errands, recycled some stuff, and now we're about to go to gym. I'm being very awkward here. I don't know what's going on. Somebody help me. Alright, workout done. Why'd I look bald? What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, I gotta run, do one more errand, and then I forgot. Today, Dynamax Articuno, so gotta go get that.
Didn't get any shinies, but Dynamax Articuno not only sucks, but it's just a pain to do when it's also like 20 degrees outside. Gosh, what an appropriate weather for a pain in the ass boss.
It is like 20 degrees or something right now. I did 3 Articuno raids. I have my fingerless gloves on. So I have gloves on, but still, this shit cold as fuck. It was like 10, 19 degrees this morning. I'm cold, but I'm at job number 2. Finished my shift, got burger, got some chicken. It's gonna be a good night. Guess who came downstairs to greet me? Hi, buddy. Hello. How you doing today? How's my big man? Big boy. It's Tuesday, it's cold, but we got more minor fixes. Oh my god, my phone's freaking out. Hey dog, you missed me? You missed me? Yeah, you did. I was talking to Meg, so I didn't vlog when we were at Walmart. Now we have Whole Foods. I gotta return stuff. So I had 11,000 points at McDonald's. Yeah, so I stopped by. I got me Rayquaza, the Happy Meal, and I got this, which is the box, which I think should have the card inside. Hold on. It does, and I wish I had my chest mount, but crack them open. I'm gonna crack it open very carefully. The cat wants in on the pack opening as well. I deny it. You're like, meow indeed. Alrighty. Meow indeed. Oh my god, it won't come out. Alright. We got our 4 cards. Alright, you ready? You ready? You ready? 1. A Tenna? What the fuck? I don't want that. 2. Eevee. Oh, this is not looking good. 3. Charizard. That's cool art though. All right, number 4. Hydreigon. Not the Rayquaza I wanted, but nice.
Auto catch of the morning.
I'm still weirded out by the fact that I think I pressed the power button by accident. Whoops. Anyways, I'm still weirded out by the fact that I can record and the music still plays, which I like, but also at the same time, I'm kind of annoyed now for a different reason, because back in the day, the audio would just randomly freak out for no reason and cut my recording, which that's why I got annoyed by it. But now, it's just going to play in the background, and then I can get a DMCA strike. So, I don't know. I guess you can't get everything, right? So I'm kind of glad for this one, because then that means the audio doesn't just automatically cut off on me. But yeah, I am done with work, and for once I don't have to immediately rush to anywhere. So I'm gonna go home, try to clean some stuff up, eat some food, and maybe edit it and stream. I'll probably, let's see, do I have time to do that? I might. I just might.
It always runs away.
Did I vlog yesterday? I don't remember. Did I vlog today? Heck no. What'd I do today? Work out and be depressed. Now I drink my protein shake and go home.
Oh, then you can see me.
Nugget. Okay.
Alright, we're talking in the dark, or... Oh, that's why you couldn't see. It's in reverse. Ah. Alright, we're gonna do it like this, or like this? I don't know how this works.
Hi, Nugget. Yeah, I've been ow! I've been scratching so much. It started building a static charge on the bed. I think we need to get off the bed. You are causing a static charge. This is not bueno. I don't even know how the camera angle looks. Because I swear to God, I was just trying to take a nap and started watching YouTube shorts. And then you got on the bed. And then now we're starting our own electric grid. I don't know if you hear him purring. Sir, can you talk to the camera? Sir, you're being documented.
Sir, I need your registration ID. Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me about this? Sir, you turned off my camera. That is against the law. Oh, he's eating this up. He is eating this up. He is eating this up. Oh my God.
First time I ever had an app like look at my appliances. It's interesting.
Yeah, now you'll shut up now. I'll give you all the pets. Yeah, give you all the pets now. Yeah, you're gonna be quiet now? You're gonna be quiet now? Oh my God. Oh my God. Attack mode.
And then it was a Saturday weekend of just Ralts spawning, so I had to get me some shiny Ralts. And then I was getting bored. I was getting a decent amount of them, and my auto catcher was catching some. So people were asking help for Dialga and Articuno. So I thought, you know what, I might as well help. So I haven't gotten a shiny Dialga yet. So I was like, first one, nah, not gonna work. Then the second one, wow, I'm done. I just realized it's like 5 o'clock. I haven't vlogged at all. I cleaned the house. Well, not I cleaned the house. I did laundry. I'm about to clean the house. Yeah, laundry's over there right now. I connected the laundry to Wi-Fi so that I can just remote start it whenever you see this signal right there. You see that? Wi-Fi. Nugget is an attention whore.
Isn't that right, buddy?
Meg got packages, so I'm about to open those packages and then just probably clean up the house more as much as I can. I've started to bring boxes in. There's a lot of boxes. I cleared out the garage to an extent so she can actually park in tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be a chill day. I don't think I'm gonna stream. I think I'm just gonna try to get things organized before I can actually like get more into streaming. But yeah, if you haven't already, twitch.tv/masterthedayou, go hit it up. I'm running out of money. So since my old desk broke, I'm building a filing cabinet. Did it take me like an hour? Yes. Is it nice? Would I recommend it to people? If you want a budget, maybe, but like, otherwise I don't think so. Like, it doesn't even come with like dividers, so I gotta fucking plop some dividers in there. I see her new sleeping quarters. She wants to actually sleep on the bed, and he's sleeping in my pile of clothes I don't want anymore. I'm late to a party. Windows is updating. And these two are just staring at me. Oh, never mind.
1 hour away from fire. 110, 120 away.
So I have had a day. Woke up pissed off because the PC was lagging. I came home, that's fixed itself. So I'm running security updates, make sure it's all good. Went to a birthday party. All my dad's family was there. My dad wasn't there. Other stuff, yada yada. Got Tiana to print me out some documents and QR codes so that people come over. I could just plop it there and guess the QR code, blah blah. No, the cats are hungry. The cats are hungry. I took some drinks. I'm fine. I'm full. They want food. I need to do it there so that I can also install a battery backup for that, but they are complaining about food. I know you're complaining about food. Hold on. Jesus Christ, it's 2 raptors on me right now. Let me get them food. Let me replace the battery for Meg, and then I guess work on vlog. Okay, relax, you yappy. Why you so yappy for? What are you so yappy for? Yap again, I dare you. Wow. So in reference for future me, there are 2 screws at the bottom here. That's step 1. I need to get this thing off. That's all I've watched. I've only watched step 1. Minnie, I was just editing a video. Why is your brother on the fucking laundry hamper? What? What is it? Meow? Mm-hmm. Yeah, tell the world what are you saying. Speak your mind. Meow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Anything else? I don't like it. Yeah, I know, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What else? Oh, yeah? Okay. Anything else? I see. Well, how can I help with that? Okay, you hesitated. I'm not agreeing to that. What do you mean? No. You can't pause and then say the same thing again. No. Oh, with the what? No. Okay,
That's I don't know about that one. That one's that's a little extra, you know? Like I don't know if I could like carry that out. It's a little too much for me, you know? You can't say that and then yawn at the same time. Did you just hump at me? Okay, okay, now that I know that's just sass. No. Sure. 100% sure? Okay, is there nothing else I can do? Dude, the sounds is good. Alright. She runs away as soon as I try to give her scratches. What the fuck? Oh my god, Nugget's about to fall. Nugget, how'd you even get up there? Oh, wait, that's not that much of a jump for you. Jesus Christ. These cats. Not the fuck. Meg got home, so I made her some pork egg roll. I guess like sticky noodles, garlic rice, and then there's some salad.
Ready to go. Man, y'all cannot tell me you bark from the back, but don't know where to go. Yeah, I don't need no drivers, I'm driving my own, yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah, sorry, I'm Bill Davis, why you keep jumping girl out the girl shit, and I'm ready to cash in the sets, legs, we made it. Don't need an accent, I'm winning,